Stop, what are you doing? Because this free AI model can literally build full projects for you without writing a single line of code. Right now, most people are wasting hours creating apps, tools, or even simple projects. You need coding skills, multiple tools, and a lot of time just to get one working result. And even then, things break, you get errors, and the process becomes frustrating. But what if you could just describe what you want and the AI builds it for you from scratch? Search on Google, open router and open first website. This is the most powerful free AI coding website ever. Here it is the interference of this website. First thing first, you just need to a simple sign up here by using your Google account. Now search here HY3 model. Open first model. This is one of the most practical AI tool right now, especially for automation and real project creation. This is a powerful AI system designed for advanced workflows, automation, and real project creation. And right now, it's completely free for a limited time. This model uses a mixture of expert architectures, which means it can switch between fast responses and deep thinking depending on the task. There is no chance for any error. This model is ranked number 1, making it one of the most powerful and widely used AI systems available. Let me show you how it works. First, open the tool and go to the chat session, from where you can directly give it a prompt just like any AI. Now I'm going to give it a prompt. Create a HTML code in which many bubbles are floating. Their colors are like dark red, green, orange, etc. and like these. Collide with each other, changing color and explode. Then again a new bubble produce, doing same process. Also add buttons for bubble quantity and reset button. Now we just hit generate and let the AI do its job. Within seconds it writes the full code, structures everything properly, and create a complete working system without needing any manual setup. Until then, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Our HTML code is ready. Just copy the code and again search on Google HTML viewer online. Open first website and paste the code here. And just like that, we now have a fully interactive simulation. You can increase or decrease particles, reset the system, and see everything working in real time. Just increase the quantity to unlimited and decrease the quantity at least 5. This entire project was pulled from a single prompt without writing any code manually. Now let's try something more advanced to really test its intelligence. Write a prompt, create a HTML code for password strength checker. User enter password, show it is easy, normal or strong. Real-time effect with dark background. And again we hit generate. It plans each step, organizes the entire process and gives you a system you can actually follow and execute. Again copy the code and paste it here. Check the result. It also shows the conditions for strong passwords. Now test it. Enter any random password, uppercase letter and number, and it shows normal. Now add lowercase letter and also a special symbol. Now it shows a strong password. You see it really work in real time effect. This is where this model becomes powerful. It's not just answering questions, it's thinking, planning, and building complete workflows for you like a real assistant. You can use this to build apps, generate projects, automate content, create tools, or even design full systems without needing advanced skills or a big team. And if you switch to deeper reasoning modes, the responses become even more detailed and strategic, giving you better quality outputs depending on your needs. And the best part, this model is currently free to use. So if you want to test it yourself, go to Open Router, search for HY3 preview, open the chat and start building whatever you want.